रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयनेयः पटे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति। रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयनेयः पटे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति। रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयनेयः पटे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यति। जय श्री राम. Meaning of the mantra. Ramaskandam Hanumantam. I bow to Hanuman, who is a strong support for Lord Rama and an example of devotion and bravery. Vainateyam Vrukodaram. I bow to Garuda, Vainateya, the mighty bird who serves Lord Vishnu, and Bhima, Vrukodara, known for his great strength and power. Shayaneyah Pate Nityam. Whoever recites this regularly before going to bed, Duswapnam Tasya Nasyati. All their bad dreams and negative influences are completely destroyed. Jai Sri Ram.